guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick, easy, simple, everyday clean that I do. It's not going to be any deep cleaning. It's just going to be a quick clean. Show you how I straighten up quickly. So I do hope you enjoy. If you're new here, I'm Angel. I do everything lifestyle. So I would love if you consider subscribing as well as turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos. And I'll leave a lot of things in my description box, so be sure to keep track of that. So I'm starting in my bedroom. I just made my bed. I am going to be coming back soon, like this week, changing out my bed and making it a spring summer bed and add some pieces in. I'm also dusting off my nightstands, and I'm using this glass cleaner that I got. It's an organic glass cleaner. I will leave all the details below if you would like to check it out. It cleans mirrors and glass as well. And with my nightstand spin mirror, I do have to dust them off. And my right side, the one my dogs sleep on, it gets a little bit more dustier, so I do the sides and all of that as well, just to keep their marks off. And then I am going to be moving into my sitting room. As you can see, we're in here a lot. We lounge at night, you know, we chill here. This is our sitting room and our master bedroom, so we definitely utilize it. So yep, it needs some cleaning and a little bit of straightening up. And for things that need to go downstairs, I just usually throw everything on a tray and I'll take it down when I go downstairs. And this little end table is so great because it's so lightweight and you can move it and eat on it and move it all over the room. I love this thing. Moving on to the kitchen, one of the highest traffic areas. I mean, I think the places that say the messiest is always the kitchen and our bedroom, because that's usually where we live. And I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's spray cleaner to clean my countertops with. I really like this cleaner. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it in the description box below. And I'm just gonna wash these dishes really quick. We usually don't use our dishwasher because it's just the two of us and we don't have that many, so I don't want to waste all of that water. So it's just, for us, it's quicker and cheaper to just quickly wash our dishes in the sink, which I'm gonna do now. And I use the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap as well for the detergent. And again, I'm gonna come back this week and bring in my spring decor, so be sure to keep a lookout for that. that's it for my quick clean. So guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to head on over next to see my spring decor.